Hello everyone, we are here to present our concept for COVID-19 Virtual Engineering Project Contest. The COVID-19 presented many difficult tasks and challenges. It acted as an eye-opener for many aspects in life. One such aspect is sanitization. The Corona warriors are diligently working to save our lives, risking their life to ensure our safety and well-being. Yet, we only think about ourselves without giving a single thought about their well-being. The process of sanitization is quite challenging, and be it mental or physical, the risk of losing one's life is high. The workers have to be physically present during the process of sanitization. One of the most prominent problems which society is facing nowadays is increment in staff shortage. Moreover, sanitization of informal settlements including slums and reaching poorest and most marginalized people also creates a challenging situation. Hence, after investigating and surveying the different challenges faced by the sanitization method, there is a need for contactless sanitization at secluded places. Hence, our Corobot comes into play. The Corobot is an IoT-based remotely operated vehicle that has arrangement for automatic sanitization. As we all know that the sustainability of the project is determined by the relevancy, acceptability, viability and adaptability. Our Corobot attains and fulfills all other aspects and factors related to the sustainability impacting people's life by ensuring their safety. Our framework of project is based upon the triple bottom line, which incorporates three dimensions of performance that are social, environmental and financial. We have developed our Corobot in such a way that it positively influences the 3 Ps.
We have developed a miniature prototype which costed 2000 rupees. It consists of a nozzle which sprays the sanitizer. A phone is mounted to send the live video to the desktop and for object detection and recognition. A pump is used to draw the sanitizer from the sanitizer tank. These connections were achieved with the help of a breadboard. Now we can see the black chassis which is 3D printed the base to all the components. Also there are 4 motors to power the wheels and motor controller to control these motors. The coding of the Corobot is done on Arduino IDE and is further controlled by the mobile app developed by MIT App Inventor. As you can see that the Corobot is being controlled by the app developed by our team. The mounted phone is detecting and sending the live video feed to the desktop monitor. Here we can see that the Corobot detects my hand using object detection and sprays the sanitizer. The Corobot can sanitize large area in less time.
As we can see in the slide, the Corobot is small-sized, remotely operated, has an important spray factor and can perform contactless sanitization in places like hostel, offices, nooks and crannies in less time. This proves its level of feasibility. Now we come to the 4 challenges faced by a team, which includes arranging all the components in lockdown, connections, the defective nozzle, and making it cost effective. The challenges were eliminated by toiling in the markets and using more effective components. Now we come to the creative thoughts on the project, which constitutes of Deep Learning Detection app, which was made by the MIT App Inventor, 3D mapping, which was used in the hospital's offices and corona wards, its semi-autonomy and spray mechanism, and lastly, collision avoidance, where the Corobot can avoid collision and deviate its paths and can perform sanitization. Summing up with cost analysis, the final design costs up to 2,61,000 rupees as shown in this slide, including all the components, which is still less than a cost of COVID-19 ventilator. Thank you for watching our project video.